Oh hey, didn't see you there. Do you want to learn about breath sounds? Of course, we all do. And today we can learn about breath sounds without even stepping into the classroom. So let's get started. There are many signs that kids can give you to let you know that something is wrong, such as wheezing, coarse or fine crackles, rhonchi, or even absent breath sounds. Crackles are an abnormal sound heard on inspiration, and they are caused by the disruption of air passing through the respiratory tract. It is not cleared with coughing, and it can be high pitched, fine, and have a short duration, or they can be coarse, low pitched, and be longer in duration. There are also rhonchi that are more rumbly sounds usually on expiration. It is caused by the airway being obstructed by thick secretions, a muscle spasm, or external pressure. It may be clear with coughing. And there are also wheezes. They are a continuous, high-pitched musical whistle sound on inspiration or expiration. It is caused by the high velocity of airflow through a narrow airway. The longer the wheeze and the higher the pitch means a worse obstruction. There are some examples of breath sounds with disease, like acute respiratory tract infection could be rhonchi or fine crackles, and asthma would be wheezing, and pneumonia, it has general signs such as crackles or even decreased breath sounds, and they have dullness on percussion, along with signs of respiratory distress like tachypnea, chest retracting, nasal flaring, or pallid cyanosis. And that's all we have today, boys and girls.